god, that's an awful way to pause it. So awful way to scream. Tell me you love me, come back. So fuck it up. Won't you let me be myself? Oh my god, kill yourself. Did you? Oh my god. Bro, what the? Oh my, please, fuck yourself and your mother and your fucking father. You, this way you're not loved. I'm so sorry. Tell me you love me. I know I don't love you. I hate you so much. What the fuck am I doing? Why did I turn British? Come back to home. Won't you? Oh my god! Be myself. Longer the ghost. Oh my, kill yourself. Maybe different song. Maybe Call Me Girl. I don't know. Way with me, missed the way. Oh my shit. Who's giving me an ad? Who's giving me an ad? Oh, give me my songs before I kill myself. That's not what I wanted! Get out of my face! Get out of my face! Conmigo, amor, no te enseño todo lo que I suck. Oh, I sort of went with the beat. I'm trying to fight. I'm gonna fight you. Oh my god! Crazy, I don't wanna damage you. Don't fucking test me, my mental's unsteady. Gonna kill myself, yeah, just like. You know what? Yeah, faster and harder, let's go. This shall be the song that saves me and my sanity. Maybe who fucking knows at this point I might just be cooked. Look like a. You know where to find me, and I know where to look. Hell, I know where to look. It's hell.
New episodes released on Saturdays.
I want you to find. No. Kiss you on the. It's bright. Right. Well, this December. I won't remember. Alright. I'm not alright, anyways. We're okay. Bro, I swear I've had an ad every 2 fucking songs. I want to slice my throat open and kill myself in the most brutal way possible. Somebody, I'm gonna pull an evil. I know what you want. Tell me what you want. I don't know what you want. I don't. I know what you need. It's on me. It's on. No, get your eyes off of me, you fucking creep. Eyes on me, baby. Oh my god, fuck you. On me, take your eyes off of me, you fucking pedophile. I'm an angel with a shotgun. Fuck you. You know what? I might as well use the fucking shotgun on myself. No, I don't wanna live. I wanna kill myself. So fucking inconsistent. Yeah, like my consistency here.